back. Today I'm showing you something rare. Nestled in one of Central Phoenix's most walkable, character-rich neighborhoods, this fully preserved 1920s beauty has soul. We're talking a cozy front porch, vintage charm, and modern upgrades. A spa-style backyard retreat and even own solar panels added in 2022. If you're craving a home that feels lived in but upgraded, buckle up, this one won't wait. So, what's so hot about Coronado? It's absolutely everything. Bike paths, community porch concerts, walk to everything vibes, and a local garden scene. You're blocks from Roosevelt Row's art and coffee and restaurants and minutes to downtown. Best part, it feels like home. Vintage charm, modern upgrades, a spa-like yard, prime walkable location, and energy-saving features. This is living made meaningful. If you want to tour this home in Phoenix with personality, call or text me at 480-710-7696 or shoot me a message on Instagram at briannanicole.azrealtor. Let's get you into the home of your dreams. Talk soon.